everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. I know that I have been missing out on a few videos and I know that Christmas has passed already, but I still wanted to get these videos out to you all. So what I'm going to do is continue my Christmas series up until the end of this month. So let's get started with creating our fabric Christmas wreath. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is get your wreath form. This is the 8-inch wreath form that I purchased from Dollar Tree. It came in a 2-pack. You want to make sure you get fabric of your choice. I just have these little scrap pieces that I purchased from Joann Fabrics, and these pieces measure as 1 inch by 4. And you want to also make sure that you have your ruler and your fabric scissors if you have not already cut your fabric. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you all down so that you can see exactly what I am doing. So this is my wreath form here. My strip of fabrics are here, and again these pieces measures 4 inches by 1 inch. And as you can see, we have 3 curves here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fabric pretty side facing up, and you can start from here or you can start from here or in the middle. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to place it here in the center. I'm going to fold my pieces together and just do a basic knot, something very basic. Okay, and as you're turning, just make sure that your fabric is actually showing on the pieces that you want to be shown. So I want my flakes to show. So what I'm going to do is just adjust them, and then I'm going to make sure that I squeeze the 2 pieces together tightly. So here is our first piece here, and you can also use different colors. You do not have to necessarily use the same fabric, and I'm going to show you in a moment a completed fabric wreath. Okay, I just wanted you all to get the basic fundamentals down. And with this one, because it's so short, it only needs to be folded once. Okay, and again, just make sure that your fabric is facing the correct way so that it's shown properly. So that's our 2 pieces. Remember, we have 3 sections here, and you can also skip a section. So if you want to do just these 2 or just these 2, you can do that as well. It's totally up to you. This is one of those projects where you really can't go wrong, especially with the length or the fabric of your choice. All you have to do is cut your pieces, tie them in a knot, and just have fun. Each wreath will definitely look unique in its own way, and that's another thing that I like about it. So these are the knots here, and you can also, okay, so this is how it's looking so far, and you can also alternate them. So say if you had a white solid fabric, you can place the white here, you can place your flakes in the center, and then you can probably have like a coordinating blue. You can take one of the blues outside of this piece here and put like a lighter blue or something that really just coordinates with what pieces you already have. So again, just the basic fundamentals. All you have to do is get your wreath, cut your pieces to whatever length and whatever sizes that you want, and you're just going to tie them into a basic knot. So I'm going to move that to the side, and I'm going to bring up my completed wreath here. So this is the example that I was given before, where I have a solid green, I have my pattern pieces in the middle with Christmas holiday colors, and then I have my burgundy in the center. So that's how I decide to put this one together. And these are one of these wreaths that you can create for any holiday. I know that Black History Month is coming up, so you can use the Black History Month colors, or Valentine's Day is coming up, so you can do a Valentine's Day, and so forth and so on. So one of these wreaths is not necessarily just for Christmas. You can use it for any holidays. And when you complete your wreath and you want to hang your wreath over your door, what you're going to get is, again, I purchased this from Dollar Tree. You are going to get a wreath hanger. This is acrylic, but they also have green and red. We're still in the Christmas season now, so I'm sure that they still have some available. If not, you can still find this at Michael's, Walmart, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, or any other craft store. So this is how it will hang. So you can hang it basic like this. You can add a bow. You can place some type of picture in the center if you would like, or you can place some type of wording in the center. Joy, peace, love, merry, whatever you decide. Just think outside of the box. Really simple, really easy. And these pieces does not measure 4 by 1 inch. My pieces here are pretty random. I just wanted it to be free-handed, and all I did was just cut basic strips of fabric. So no, they're not. If you give give you a close-up look, no, they are not even. Some of them are shorter, some of them are wider. I just wanted it to be very freestyle, and all I did was I placed this together, and I put me on the movie, and I just tied, and I just watched the movie along the way. So I do not know exactly how many pieces I put here. I don't know exactly how many pieces will fit on any wreath, because remember, each wreath would be different. Okay? So don't go necessarily by how many pieces. Just cut enough to get you started and get you going. And as you continue to create multiple ones of these, you will definitely come up with your own way and different techniques on how to complete your own fabric wreath. And I also plan on creating one with jeans. Just for, again, jeans can be used for all year round. So nothing specific. You can keep it up all you want, versus hot Christmas colors, December. Just keep that in mind. And you can change them out if you want to. But like I said, I plan on doing one with jean, and that way I can keep it up all year round. So that is the end of our video. I do have more videos coming. As I stated before, I am going to continue out this whole month. So give or take, I would say about 4 more Christmas videos, and then we will start a new series. Okay? So thank you all for tuning in, and if you have any questions, make sure you place them in the comment section below. And also, if you will be creating this project, make sure you tap in below, and also let me know down there what colors you will put together. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.